Alright, what is up, YouTube gang? We picked up this pocket hose, copper bullet, #1 expanding hose with triple layer tubing, extra tough anti-tear fabric, lead and kink free, 10 pattern spray nozzle. So, says it expands to 50 feet with 3/4 inch flow diameter. I'm replacing the current just normal hose. I actually got this hose at Costco too, but I got that at Costco too, and that no longer works, so my hose is just always piled up here in the front yard. So I was like, you know what, let's give this thing a shot. Doing some shopping, and saw this little doohickey on the shelf. So let's crack it open and see what it's about. Home improvement expert, huh? Alright, well, let's see what we got. What do we got? Got a nice case. Alright. We have 3 attachments. Or no, just 1. Which is nice. Grow, retract. Okay. So we turn this little knob here to grow and retract. So retract this way, grow this way. And then we're gonna hook this end up here. It says it has copper. I don't know if that's true or not. Is it just copper paint or actual copper? Copper fittings. That's probably not going to work good at my house because I have a lot of minerals in my water, and it causes my comes with some hose gaskets, washers. Essential users guide. All right, let's see if it works. Maybe I'll get rid of this whole setup right here. But anyways, yeah, so the problem I was having is that, so this hose just connects to the actual case, and then the hose connects on the inside, but it doesn't retract anymore. I forgot what happened, something broke on it, but it's actually really cool. You don't have to twist it, it just turns with the water pressure. It self-retracts. But the other thing is that the minerals in my water causes this to get stuck. So I actually have to cut it off. That's what this is for here. But this thing always gets stuck on there after a while. So, yeah, so we're just gonna replace the whole hose. And I didn't really like this faucet I got here. Doesn't really work that great. Doesn't really have any options. You just open and close it. Gives you a little bit of pressure, but it doesn't work that great. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the hose and this nozzle. So now we're just gonna hook this up directly to the faucet, and it should replace my 50-foot hose. It's nice and soft. It's pretty cool. And then I guess when you're done with it, you could actually fit it back into that box right there. So this hose is 50 feet. I think it seems a much longer, but I'm pretty sure it's a 50-foot hose. All right, so we're just gonna hook this up, and let's see how it works. I want to wash my car, so that's why I decided to do this right now. All right, there we go. Expanding like a snake. Kind of scary, actually. All right, let's wash my car. All right, so it's currently in the retract mode, which means that the hose should be shrunk up. And then to actually open, you pull this back. And it has all these settings right here. So right now I have it on the shower. Let's put it on the I don't know. Let's try this one. Let's see how it comes out. That one should work. It actually shoots pretty far. Look at that. I can almost reach my car with it. So I'm gonna try the different settings and see which one I like best to just do the rinse first. And seems to be working really good actually. Feels a really solid, this lever right here. Feels really strong, very solid. It has like a rubber grip right here. Works pretty good. All right, so you do have to have it this way for it to operate. Let's wash the car. Starting off with this setting. See which one I like best. All right, the last part I forgot to do was test to see if this thing will recoil when I retract it. So turning off the water first, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and release any water that's left over in the hose. So I turned off the water. Still a lot of water in there. Oh, look. Haha. It's actually retracting. It's like a snake. Oh my God, that's so crazy. I do have it in retract mode right now. Just like this. But wow, look at that. Oh. Pretty neat. I think that's fully retracted. And then I could bundle it up. All right, so I forgot to hit record, but it did fit perfectly inside the bucket again. Look at that. Nice and neat. So, pretty cool because gets rid of this hose that I have here. And then this big old thing. Look how big this is compared to that. It's pretty neat. All right, there you go. Before and after. Boom. Much cleaner than what was there before. Everything fits nicely inside this box. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Hopefully if this helped you out, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know how it is. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Are you going to get one of these from Costco? I think it's worth it. This is not sponsored, by the way. All right, peace. I'm out.